Welcome to the world of custom PC building, where 3D printing has unlocked a new level of creativity and personalization. With 3D printing, you can explore a whole new world of customized PC cases, brackets, and components, allowing you to create a truly unique and tailored PC setup. Upgrade your PC building game and unleash your creativity with 3D printing. The possibilities are endless. With 3D printing, you can customize every aspect of your PC. Design and print unique brackets, components, and even your own personalized PC case. Unleash your creativity and bring your wildest PC ideas to life. With 3D printing, there are no limits to what you can create. Upgrade your PC building game and unleash your creativity with 3D printing. Start creating your dream PC setup today.